guys, Casey here. In this video, unbox natin itong MIDEA or MIDEA in Mandarin brand Humidifier model SC-3E40. The brand is a Chinese brand, although not to worry, sikat ang brand na to sa China. Quality for sure at affordable price. In-order ko to through Shopee and the order came after a few days. Functional and no damage at all. Kung naghahanap kayo ng humidifier, you can definitely check the link in bio. The water capacity is at 3 liters. The color is white as you can see, and the fog, isang outlet lang siya dun sa taas. Essential oils are also allowed but not shown in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Make sure to like this video if it helped you in any way, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. Enjoy!